Now all question will be in the form of MCQ, multiple choice question. Multiple choice question. Multiple choice question. So there will be question number 1. It will carry 2 marks. Question number 2, again 2 marks. Question number 3, 2 marks. Question number 4, 2 marks. And question number 5, 2 marks. So there will be 5 questions of 2 marks. So that makes 10 marks. Then question number 6, it will be 3 marks. Question number 7, it will be 3 marks. Question number 8, it will be 3 marks. Yes, 4 options will be there. Question number 9, 3 marks. Question number 10, 3 marks. So total this is 10 marks. So 5 question of 2 marks and 5 question of 2 marks and 5 question of 3 marks. Each question you will get 4 options. Each question you will get 4 options. For 2 marks there will be small calculation. For 3 marks there will be little bit more calculation. For 2 marks you will get the answer in 2 steps. But for 3 marks you will get the answer in some 4, 5, 6 steps. So whether it is 1 mark or 2 mark or 3 mark problem, in all these you have to solve. Get the answer. Whichever is the correct answer, that you have to. Yes, all these. I have told you multiple choice question. All question. Every question you will get 4 options. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to click the correct answer. Is it clear? Yes. All 10 question will be of MCQ type. All 10 question will be of MCQ type. Each question you will get 4 options. After solving that question, you click the correct answer. Duration is 40 minutes. Duration is 40 minutes. So very easily you can complete this question number. Is it clear? Yes, this pattern is clear or not? Yes, pattern is clear. All will be multiple choice, 4 options. For 2 marks there will be small calculation. For 3 marks there will be slightly big calculation. 2 marks it will be 2 line or 3 line calculation. 3 marks it will be 4 line, 5 line calculation. But in each problem you have to solve and click the correct answer. After getting the answer, by solving you have to click the correct answer. Yes. Now let us start our indices chapter. 7 seconds is easy. You can do it. 7 seconds is easy. Now let us do 8th one. Show that. Write on this 8th one you mark important. 8th one you can mark important. For 3 marks or 4 marks. Show that a raised to m upon a raised to minus n whole raised to m minus n into a raised to n upon a raised to minus l. A raised to minus l. Clear it is. Into a raised to l upon a raised to minus m whole raised to l minus m is equal to 1. Show this part. So see, I'm just giving you an example how this 3 marks will be asked. In examination, I can give you this question. Only this much part I can give, and option will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this you have to work out, and then after that working out, you have to click the correct answer. So only two chapters are there for unit test of 25 marks: rational, irrational, and expansion. Yes. So now let us solve this. So this is my left hand side and this is right hand side. So now we consider left hand side. We write LHS. Left hand side is a raised to m upon a raised to minus n whole raised to m minus n into a raised to n upon a raised to minus l whole raised to n minus l into a raised to l upon a raised to minus m whole raised to l minus l. This is my left hand side. Now first I will simplify the bracket. Power divided by power, you have to subtract the power. Yes. So what is that? Which rule I will use? Yes. So this minus n I will take in the numerator. It will be plus n. So that become a raised to m plus n raised to m minus n into minus l. I will take in the numerator. It will become plus l. So a raised हाँ बोलो. A raised to you can take this as up or this as down, no problem. A raised to n plus l raised to n minus l into a raised to l minus m will go up, l plus m raised to l minus m. So first we use the formula division of power. So whenever there is division of power, you have to let division of power. Yes. Still board is blurred or clear? Yes. Okay. So whenever there is division of power, you have to subtract the powers. So now what you will do? M minus power raised to power, no? Yes. So power raised to power, multiply the powers. So a raised to m raised to n will be a raised to m into n. So same thing, a raised to m plus n raised to m minus n will be a raised to m plus n into m minus n. Power raised to power. See, there are requests are coming for joining. Now it is clear, no? Okay. So that will be a raised to m plus n into m minus n, power raised to power, multiply the powers. Wait, we'll show that a raised to l plus l, a raised to n plus l. Still? Yes. A raised to n plus l into n minus n into a raised to l plus n into l minus n. Now clear? So it is a raised to a plus b. Yes. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So a raised to m square minus n square into a raised to a plus b into a minus b n square minus l square into a raised to L square minus m square. Huh? Then it will be m plus n whole square. Then it will be m plus n whole square. Yes. So no. How? It is one is m plus n, other is m minus n. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Now the base is same, a, and there is multiplication. So whenever base is same and there is multiplication, you have to add the power. So m square minus n square plus n square minus l square plus L square minus m square. L square minus m square. So my left hand side is a raised to m square minus m square get cancelled, minus m square get cancelled, minus L square get cancelled. A raised to 0 and that is 1. And my right hand side is, yes, right is, so LHS is equal to RHS. LHS, yes. LHS is equal to RHS. Is it clear? Board is clear, no? No, board is clear, no? Yes. Ask. In the denominator, if it is L, it will be m minus L. If it is plus L. So basically, whenever there is division of power, then we subtract the power. If it is minus n in the denominator, when we take in the numerator, it will be plus n. When I will take m in the denominator, it will be minus n. So whenever there is division of power, you have to subtract the power. Whenever there is multiplication of power, you have to add the power. And whenever there is power raised to power, you have to multiply the powers. So there are three basic rules. Power into power, add the power. Power divided by power, subtract the power. And power raised to power, you have to multiply the powers. Then ninth one is easy, same thing. In the same way, wait. In the same way you will do 9. Now 10th first I will do, because same thing is there. And mathematics syllabus is little bit vast compared to other subjects. So we have to take care of that also. 9th will be homework. You try. If you are not getting the answer, then tell me. I will show you. Then 10th one. 10th first. You mark this very important 10th one. So 8th and 10th, they are important type of problem. First, simplify x raised to a upon x raised to b whole raised to a square plus ab plus b square into x raised to b upon x raised to c whole raised to b square plus bc plus c square into x raised to c, a bracket is there, no? You can write b square plus bc plus c square in bracket, no problem. X raised to c upon x raised to a whole raised to c square plus ca plus a square. Simplify this. You have to find, yes, we'll see it, yes. You have to find the value of this. So just now I told you that in your unit test I can give you this type of problem. This you have to solve whatever is the answer, those option will be given. So this calculation you have to work out for 3 marks, 2 marks. So unit test for 2 marks and 3 marks, you have to work out the problem, get the answer, and then you have to click the correct answer. Yes, first we simplify the bracket inside. First we simplify the bracket. हाँ, एक मिनट. Now, first we, now it is clear? Yes. First we simplify the bracket. X raised to a. First we simplify the bracket. X raised to a upon x raised to b. हाँ, x raised to a minus b raised to a square plus ab plus b square. हाँ हाँ yes, ask it out. No, if you take the reciprocal, it will be 1 upon x raised to b minus a. If you are taking a in the denominator, it will be b minus a, 1 upon. Yes? No, see, if you take reciprocal of the term inside, then power will be negative, and we don't want negative power here. Already it is positive, no? Wait. So next x raised to b upon, yes, ask it out. X raised to b minus c. Yes, ask it out. Which one? A square plus, no, a square plus ab plus b square. You cannot take a plus b whole square because there should be 2ab. It is ab only into x raised to c upon x raised to a. I will write x raised to c minus a into c square plus ac or ca, c square plus ca plus a square. Yes, now we use power raised to power. Power raised to power, we multiply the power, so that will be x raised to a minus b. Yes, then we take reciprocal into x raised to power you have to multiply the power, so b minus c into b square plus bc plus c square into power raised to power x raised to c minus a into c square plus ca plus a square. So in all these three, yes. No, don't add at this moment. First you see what is power. The power is given in some form. That form you have to identify. Before adding the power, yes, you have to identify the type. We have seen those type in the expansion as well as in the factorization. So we have the formula, yes, AQ minus BQ. What is AQ minus BQ? That is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square, no? So this formula we apply to each. AQ minus BQ is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So first one, it will be x raised to, yes, A minus B. So it will be AQ minus BQ into x raised to, same thing, B minus C into B square. So that is BQ minus CQ into x raised to, yes, C minus A. So CQ minus AQ. Now you add the power. Now the base is same, x. So I can take the basis x and add the power because there is multiplication. So AQ minus BQ plus BQ minus CQ plus CQ minus A cube. A cube get cancelled. B cube, yes, C cube get cancelled. So that is x raised to 0. Answer is 1. So this question I can give in the exam. Such type of question can be given in the exam, and in multiple choice you will get this type of answer: 1, 0, 2, 4. You have to click the correct answer. Huh? Yes. See, if you add the power first, then again you have to simplify. In that power, the power will be very much lengthy. The power will be very much lengthy, and you have to simplify that also, no? Now, yes, ask. This one, right side or left side? Right side or left side? Yes. See here, x raised to a minus b raised to a square plus ab plus b square. So power raised to power. So whenever there is power raised to power, we have to multiply the power. So that will be a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Again, power raised to power. So you have to multiply the power. So x raised to b minus c into b square plus bc plus c square. Again, x raised to c minus a raised to c square plus ca plus a square. So power raised to power. You have to multiply the power. Clear? No solution, no solution. No solution. No solution should be sent. Yes, you have to click the correct option. We don't expect the solution, we expect the correct option. Yes, now this 10th second in the same way you will solve. 10th second, let me give homework. 10th that you get it from your friend. 10th second, same way you will solve. And this part is over. Now let us start 7b. 7b problems are slightly important. 7b. They are completely based on the rule of indices: power into power, power divided by power, power raised to power. So 7b problem, we start. Solve for x. Solve for x. Solve for x. 7b. 7b. First one, solve for x. Solve for x. Solve for x. I am writing first all the 4 problems, then you tell me which one I should solve. 2 raised to 2x plus 1 is equal to 8. Second, 2 raised to 5x minus 1. Wait. Yes, 4 into, wait, let me write first. 2 raised to 3x plus 1. Third one, 3 raised to 4x plus 1 is equal to 27 raised to x plus 1. And fourth, 49 raised to x plus 4 is equal to 7 raised to 2 into 343 raised to x plus 1. Now you tell me. Third, fourth? Yes, let me do third. let me do third and fourth. So first and second homework. See, solve for x means you have to, my left hand side is base is 2. So right hand side also you write the number with base 2 and then we equate the power. Okay, chalo, let me do all. This is the so yes. Now first and second you will be easily to solve. Let me solve third, so that you will understand first, second easily. Third, in the same way you will do, no? Just have a look at this third. So 3 raised to 4x plus 1 is equal to 27 raised to x plus 1. So now if you see my left hand side is base 3, right hand side is 27. So this 27 also, yes, 27 also we have to write base 3. So this we write 3 raised to 4x plus 1. 27 I can write 3 raised to 3 raised to x plus 1. So 3 raised to 4x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to power you have to multiply the power. So 3 into x plus 1. Power raised to power, multiply the power. So 3 raised to 4x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to 3x plus 3. 3x plus 3. 3 you have to multiply to each term. 3 into x plus 3 into 1. Now the base is same. Base is same. So their powers will be equal. So comparing, yes. So we write comparing the power of same base. Comparing the power of same base. Base is same, 3, 3. Yes, no problem. You can write comparing the power. So comparing the power of same base. See, why we write same base? Whenever base is same, then only you can compare the power. Whenever base is same, then only we can compare the power. So even if you write up to comparing the power, it is understood that base are same, that is why we are comparing the power. Clear? No. After getting the value of x, you have to stop, because it is asked simplify and find the value of x. So you will get 4x plus 1 is equal to 3x plus 3. We take 3x on this side, 4x minus 3x. So x is equal to 2. Yes? Which answer you got? X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 is correct answer. Now let us do fourth one. See, you mark you mark third and fourth important. You mark third and fourth important. Such type of problems are important. Fourth, 49 raised to x plus 4. 49 raised to x plus 4 is equal to 7 raised to 2 into 343 raised to x plus 1. So now you want to compare the power. Base is 7, this is 49, this is 343. So yes, 49 and 343 we have to write in terms of base, yes, in terms of base 2. So 49 I can write 7 raised to 2 raised to x plus 4 is equal to 7 raised to 2 into 343 I can write 7 raised to 3. Yes? Are you getting? 7 raised to 3. 7 7 is the 49. 49 7 is the 343. So this is power raised to power. Multiply the power. So 7 raised to 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 7 raised to 2 into power raised to power. Multiply the power 3 into x plus 1. Yes, yes, yes. You can directly multiply, but if the question is 3 to 4 marks, you have to write few steps. Some steps should be shown. You know the steps, but those steps should be shown on the paper, because the examiner has to allot you the marks for the step also, no? If you write the correct answer, you will not get full marks, because marks are given for the step also. Yes. Solve this. Wait, no, time we have. So 7 raised to 2x plus 8 is equal to 7 raised to 2 into 7 raised to 3x plus 3. Open the bracket. So 7 raised to 2x plus 8 is equal to 7 raised to power into power, multiply power into power, add the power. So 2 plus 3x plus 3. Now their power into power, so we add the power. So 7 raised to 2x plus 8 is equal to 7 raised to 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3x. Now the base is same, so comparing power of, yes, so comparing powers, we get 2x plus 8 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Now we take 5 on the other side, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3x minus 2x. So 3 is equal to x. So the value of x is 3. Yes, but before leaving, you see that you have forwarded your roll number and division in the chat box. Bye. Yes, now. Yes, you can ask on WhatsApp. Yes. Yes. Bye. So practice for a unit test. Yes. Practice